So I've given you the intuition and the way to approach solving for bond pricing in a different video segment. We're going to apply those same ideas here to solve a specific problem. So here's the example. What is today's value of $1,000 par value bond that has a 5% coupon payment, interest paid semi-annually, which has 3 years remaining until its maturity? The bond is priced to yield 8%. So now let's decode this problem to see how we can solve it. What is today's value? So obviously we want to know the current price of this bond. Again, it's $1,000 par value bond, which means at maturity, which is 3 years later, you're going to get the investor will get $1,000 back. It has a 5% coupon payment, interest paid semi-annually. So how do we decode this? 5% coupon payment on a $1,000 par value bond is $50, right? And if the interest is paid semi-annually, that simply means that you're going to get two payments of $25 every 6 months. So that annually you get $50, but that's broken into two semi-annual payments every 6 months of $25. Right? So this could be different if I said the interest was paid quarterly. Then it would be $12.50 paid every 3 months for a total of $50 every year. So those things you got to keep in mind. So in this case, it's 25 every 6 months. Again, it's 3 years remaining, but we have to find the effective periods, understanding that the interest is paid every 6 months. So we have got 6 month periods here. 3 years means that's 6 month intervals, 6 of them. The bond is priced to yield 8%. If nothing else is stated, as I've said before, you assume it to be the annual percentage rate unless otherwise stated. So if it's an 8% annual rate, the 6% rate will be 4%, half of that, right? So you've got those components now. And then if you put them into the annuity formula, as we have seen in a different video, your answer should be $921.37. So please check your work and see that you get the answer here. If not, just go back through the fundamentals and you will be able to solve it without any problems. Here's another example for you to practice on. We have today a $5,000 par value bond with a 4% coupon payment, interest paid quarterly, which has 5 years remaining until its maturity. The bond is priced to yield 9%. What are the periodic coupon payments? So here, what you're given you're given the present value. So you're given the current price, which is $5,000. Par value obviously is $1,000. That's standard. It has 4% coupon payment paid quarterly, right? So 4% coupon payment on $1,000 face value bond is going to be simply $40, which then divided into 4 quarterly payments would be $10 every quarter. And then the interest in the bond is priced to yield 9%, which you'll have to reduce to its effective quarterly rate so it'll be 0.09 divided by 4 to give you that. And then so if we have quarterly periods now, 5 years and into quarterly periods is 20 periods or 20 payments, one in each quarter. So n equals 20. And if you solve for those in that same way that we've discussed in terms of the single sum, if we solve for it in the same way using the annuity and the single sum that are given in this problem, you should be able to get the correct answer to the problem. Good luck.